It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm getting here at the Moanalua trailhead to go up to the Haiku Stairs. It's a 9.3 mile hike, so I figure I get started before the crowds or before the heat does. It's pitch black, you can't see anything. And this is a parking lot, but it's right now closed. So if you come this early, you might have to park out on the street like I had to do. So after about the first 10-minute walk, we come to the first water crossing here. It's pretty shallow, too bad. This is water crossing 4. I haven't recorded the other ones because they all been pretty small and they come pretty fast. They're all about like 0.1 or a mile away, maybe 0.2. They're not that far from each other. So about 2 miles into the hike almost. And the sun's starting to come out. It's been about 30 minutes on the trail. Can't see much yet, but it's just a wet trail. The very beginning was pretty good, nice and smooth. After 1.5, it starts to get rougher, and then you start to climb a bit. And it's just wet the whole time. So bring shoes with good grip. 2.5 miles in, the water's just too deep. I was trying to avoid getting my feet muddy, but there goes that. So you will get your feet wet. That's no doubt about that. So this one must be the last one because you just run into a wall. And then follow the little trail on the left. From now on, I'm going to be relying on the All Trails app, because it says it's kind of confusing, so I'm gonna do that for a little bit. So another water crossing here. To crouch down. Heading up the steep parts here, super slippery. I wish I had brought crampons or something. Luckily I have really good shoes, but still slipping back. It's one of the best trail runnings I've done. Super muddy. We Spartans love that. So Haiku Stairs are right there, about a quarter mile away. But it just started to rain and I can't see much. I gotta turn down. It's a great trail, but I don't want to risk it. Made it here in an hour and a half, which was really fast for the other times that I have seen. But now I gotta head back. So you might hit a quick stop by the waterfalls and found some guavas. Found also my first group of people in the trail. They're going up. I'm already back down. Going through this little maze here. It It is 8 o'clock. Took me 2 hours and 30 minutes. You could check that on my Strava to make it to the top and back down. I was about 0.1, 0.15 from the Haiku Stairs, but it was just raining really hard. Visibility was crappy. You really couldn't see anything, so I just decided to turn around. The trail's already wet enough, and I don't want to be going down a river of water, which I almost did, but still fun, a lot of fun. I'm a Spartan, and this is what I live for. I love mud. I love trails that are like this, technical, hard. So this is it. This was me. I love it. I will do this all day long. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and see other videos I like. Peace.